Imbis na maawa ang mga netizens sa naging panayam ni Joel Mondina o pambansang kolokoy sa YouTube channel ni OG Diaz, ay tila mas lalong nabash ngayon ng content creator sa mga naging pahayag nito. Lalo na sa parte ng sinabi ni PK na hindi umano niya mabisita o makausap man lang ang kanyang mga magulang na halos isang dekada, kahit na magkapit bahay lamang sila. Ito daw kasi ang gusto ni Miss Grace o Marites. Dahil naging sunod-sunuran naman umano siya kay Marites, ay ginawa niyang talikuran ang kanyang mga magulang. Ayon naman sa mga netizens, nagawa nga umano niyang makipagkita palihim sa kanyang ibang babae, nagkaroon pa nga daw sila ng anak. Bakit hindi niya daw nagawa ng paraan na mabisita ang kanyang mga magulang samantalang sa kanya na daw galing na magkapit bahay lamang sila? Ibig sabihin lamang daw, hindi niya din umano gustong makita ang kanyang mga magulang. Dahil kung totoo nang mahal niya ang mga ito, sana daw tulad ng ginawa niyang effort sa third party para magkita sila ay ginawa din sana niya para sa kanyang mga magulang. Samantala, tila may kasagutan naman si Marites sa naging panayam ni PK sa social media. Nag-post ito ng larawan ng isang aso na kung saan may nakalagay na kawawa. Caption pa niya dito ay, "Hala, never invalidate her feelings." May malalim na galit. Means may malalim na dahilan. Number one problem talaga is communications. Your way of living is bahala na. Hayaan na para walang gulo, which is very wrong. Dapat, since mag-asawa kayo, magtulungan kayo. Intindihin ang pinanggalingan ng asawa mo. Hindi yung iniisip mong matigas siya, masama siya kasi ganun siya sa magulang mo. Plus, nagawa mo siyang iwan kasi nga nagkaroon ka na ng sarili mong pera. That lead you to have another girlfriend. Pero kung wala kang pera, you will endure everything about Grace. Ganun naman kasi ang lalaki, di ba? Pag may means na, gagawin na yan lahat ng pangit makikita sa asawa. Lahat ng ginawa mo noon na out of love, ngayon tingin mo utang na loob na niya or sunod-sunuran ka? You chose her over your parents. Nasa ugali mo yung bahala na at wag na magsalita. Ibig sabihin nun, when Grace experiencing the bad treatment that she received from your parents just because single mom siya, wala kang ginawa to protect her and defend her. Good luck to you on telling all this na makakasira sa nanay ng mga anak mo to defend your present wife and to bring back all your followers na umalis sa'yo. There is no justification cheating. If you felt unrespected and unloved by your spouse, you should have left her before having another woman. Have the humility to admit mistake. Why point fingers on someone you betrayed? Your parents are not part of your marriage. It is always husband and wife who are inside the sanctity of marriage. If your spouse disrespected your parents, have the courage to address it than betraying your spouse. It does not solve your issues. It cannot and will never ever save your marriage. A mistake can never be corrected by another mistake. Yes, love is not enough because it needs commitment. Kung hindi maayos relationship nyo sa mga magulang mo, dapat yun ang inaayos, hindi yung naghanap ka ng ibang babae para mawasak ang pamilya at masaktan mga bata. Anyways, counseling could have saved your marriage, but too much damage has been done. To PK, hopefully your current wife will take care of you when you get old and will stay sa hirap at ginhawa. Because remember, Miss Grace accepted you and choose to be with you when you have nothing. God bless and hopefully both of you will heal and have a healthy relationship for the sake of the kids. The saddest part of this interview is that their marriage for a long time revealed one lost respect, especially sa part ng girl, kasi she is the breadwinner. In the US, especially sa Filipino culture, may stigma pa din yung lalaki ang nasa bahay and babae yung nagwo-work. For me, PK sacrificed his own career for the girl's dream career. As a man, that's a lot. Sa mga nagja-judge why he didn't leave before they reached 20 years. Siyempre, may anak sila and you know life in the US, especially in California, is difficult. Wala kang stable career. I will never keep my kids away from their grandparents. My husband has issue with his parents too. But I talk to them and update them what's going on with us. My husband used to not like the idea because he said he felt betrayed. As a wife, we should be the mediator, not a cause of more aquatic environment. I am pregnant now and my husband decided to forget his issue with his parents because he said he will not keep his baby to his parents. Kawawa pala talaga si Miss Grace. Si Kolokoy na mismo nagsabi, pinakitaan si Miss Grace hindi maganda ng mga magulang niya. Tapos ngayon gusto mo pa unawain ang lahat, pati pang babae mo. Tama lang, naghiwalay kayo. Kesa habang buhay dalhin ni Miss Grace lahat ng pain na dulot mo at pamilya mo. Tama lang, mabuhay na kayo ng malaya. Mahirap pilitin makisama sa isang tao na malaming galit at bigat na nararamdaman. Si Miss Grace naging matatag at pilit inaabot ang pangarap. Di nagpadaig sa pangmaliit sa kanya ng pamilya ni Kolokoy. Porke ba may nakaraan, tama ba napakitaan ng di maganda na magulang mo at pamilya? Pilit pinagaganda ni Kolokoy ang istorya niya para maging bida. Pero lalo lang naging nalinaw ang lahat sa side mo at sa'yo ang may diferensya.